Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Hina's Kitchen and Vlog 1. I hope you are fine and doing well. Please watch my whole video and take thumbs up, subscribe so you never miss my upcoming videos. Today I will teach you how to make egg fried rice with a very simple way. So let's get started. Here we have some vegetables like carrots, onions, green onions and capsicum. On the other side, we will take 2 eggs and some leftover rice. We use leftover rice, you can use fresh rice also. In eggs, add some salt, pepper according to your taste. We will take a pan on medium flame and put 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in it. Fry the egg on medium to low flame. Now add vegetables in the fry pan and saute them. Add some spices like salt, pepper, soya sauce and some chicken powder also. At the end, we add some leftover rice and mix well. Here we go, our delicious Chinese fried rice is ready to serve. Thanks for watching.